Welcome back, Steadfast Community. I am Eric, your roaster. We have a very exciting unboxing for you today, so we'll just get right into it. All right, today we have a fellow Aiden coffee maker. We have very graciously been given access to this by a family member who is allowing me to use it for an unboxing before they even look at it. So we're very happy to have it here today, and we'll get this video done so they can have their coffee maker. She already informed me she watched lots of videos about it, and she told me of these fancy unlocking parts on the side of the box. The Aiden coffee maker is an automatic pour over machine, if you've not heard of it, although I imagine if you're watching this video you have heard of it. Do I rip these out of here? I don't know. No? I twisted the unlocks.
You can say whose it is.
Let's see. So this is everything straight out of the box. We have our carafe with a insulated lid. I like the lid option. I especially enjoy my coffee to be hot, so it's a nice feature to have the option of being able to remove it and keep your coffee hot for you. We have our filters and basket for single serve, as well as our filters for batch brew. We have on top of Aiden here, on top of the lid, there's this little dial. There's blue and green. The blue is for batch brew, for making larger quantities, and you can flip the dial to green for single serve. Very easy to understand. The single serving has this little insert here, and the batch brew goes directly in here. I see there's also color coding on the brew basket for single serve, as well as the brew basket in here for the batch brew. So here we have everything as it comes right out of the box for Aiden. Thanks for watching our video, and be sure to check out our website to stock up on freshly roasted coffee beans that you can make in your new fellow Aiden coffee maker. Thanks again.